Welcome to Renovate. Today we'll be examining the best dust collectors for woodworking. The WEN DC3401 is a compact and mobile dust collector designed for small workshops. With its 5.7 amp motor and 660 CFM airflow, it's capable of handling dust from various tools like planers, sanders, and table saws. It features a 12-gallon collection bag, which reduces the need for frequent emptying, and can be mounted on the wall or used on its rolling base for flexibility. The 4-inch dust port is compatible with most shop machines, making it a versatile option for dust control. One drawback of this device is its high noise level, reaching up to 90 decibels, which can be uncomfortable during prolonged use. Also, the unit may need extra adapters for connecting with various tools, as it doesn't include a wide array of accessories. Overall, this model offers solid performance at an affordable price, making it a great addition for hobbyists or those with smaller workspaces. It balances power and portability, providing good dust collection without breaking the bank. For more details or to purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below. The Vevor DC100M is a reliable dust collector designed for small to medium woodworking spaces. It features a 1-horsepower motor, providing strong airflow of 537 CFM, which is more than sufficient for collecting sawdust and wood chips from most common woodworking tools. The large 21-gallon dust bag minimizes the need for frequent emptying, and its 2.5 micron filtration ensures that fine dust particles are captured, keeping your workshop air clean. Portability is a key feature, thanks to its swivel casters and lightweight build, allowing easy movement around the workspace. However, the filtration system only filters particles down to 2.5 microns, which may not be enough for capturing the finest dust particles in more intensive environments. Additionally, some users report that assembly can be a bit challenging, though it doesn't detract from the unit's overall performance. Overall, this model offers a solid balance between power, capacity, and portability at a competitive price, making it ideal for hobbyists or small shop owners. For more details or to purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below. The WEN DC1300 is a robust dust collector designed for medium to large woodworking setups. Its 14-amp motor drives a 10-inch steel impeller at 3,450 RPM, providing a strong 1,300 CFM airflow. This is enough power to handle heavy dust and debris, efficiently capturing particles as small as 5 microns, which is great for keeping your workspace clean. The 50-gallon vertical dust collection bag reduces the need for frequent emptying, allowing you to focus on your projects. The unit's mobile base with 4 swivel casters also ensures easy maneuverability around the shop. On the downside, the 5-micron filtration might not capture the finest dust particles, which could be a concern for users dealing with high volumes of fine dust. Additionally, the dust collector's large size and weight may make it less suitable for small workshops with limited space. Overall, this model offers strong performance for woodworkers with multiple tools, providing excellent airflow and storage capacity at a reasonable price. For more information or to buy the product, check the Amazon link in the description below. The Bucktool DC50 is a versatile and compact dust collector designed for small to medium woodworking shops. It features a powerful 1.2 horsepower motor, capable of moving 750 CFM of air, which provides strong suction for collecting sawdust and debris from your tools. One standout feature is its auto start function, allowing the unit to automatically turn on when connected power tools are in use, making your workflow smoother. Additionally, the dust collector includes 3 collection bags, with a total capacity of 5.4 cubic feet, reducing the need for frequent bag changes. While it offers great portability and strong dust collection, the 2.5 micron filtration system may let finer dust particles escape, potentially requiring a finer filter for those sensitive to airborne particles. Some users have also mentioned that the setup process can be a bit tricky, but once assembled, it operates efficiently and quietly. Overall, this model is a reliable option for woodworkers looking for a dust collector with solid suction, easy-to-use features, and a compact design. For more information or to purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below. The ShopFox W1727 is a compact, portable dust collector designed for small to medium-sized workshops. Its 1-horsepower motor provides 800 CFM of airflow, making it effective for collecting sawdust and wood chips for most woodworking tools. The 2.5 micron filtration bag ensures that fine dust particles are captured, improving air quality in your workshop. With a 2.1 cubic foot collection capacity, it's well suited for light to medium-duty dust collection tasks. One of the standout features is its portability. The unit is mounted on a rolling base with 4 casters, allowing you to move it easily between machines. However, this device may not be ideal for larger workshops, or tools that produce fine dust in high volumes, like wide belt sanders. Some users have noted that it works best for smaller, less demanding operations. In summary, this model is a solid, affordable choice for hobbyists or small workshops looking for a portable, space-saving dust collection solution. For more details or to purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below. The ShopFox W1666 is a powerful and efficient dust collector ideal for medium to large woodworking shops. Its 2 horsepower motor generates an impressive airflow of 1550 CFM, making it highly effective for capturing large volumes of sawdust and wood chips. Equipped with a 12-inch steel impeller, this unit can maintain strong suction even for demanding tasks. The dual filtration system includes a 2.5 micron filter bag, which helps to trap finer dust particles, improving the overall air quality of your shop. The large 5.4 cubic feet collection bag reduces the frequency of emptying, making it more convenient during longer work sessions. Its mobility is enhanced by a wheeled base, making it easier to move around the shop when needed. However, the noise level of this device can be somewhat high, and it may not be suitable for extremely fine dust applications without upgrading to a finer filter. Some users also note that it requires adequate shop space due to its size and weight. Overall, this model offers a great balance of power and affordability, making it a popular choice for serious woodworkers. For more details or to purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content, and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring!